You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, and it may be also a name, I guess. This is a word originally from Italian, meaning treasure. Okay, as in a treasure box, a treasure. The Italian pronunciation first. If you want to learn more Italian, stay tuned. Tesoro. Tesoro. Yes, the S has more of a Z sound. Tesoro. The stress is on the second syllable. In English, the pronunciation would be therefore similar. Tesoro. Tesoro. From Italian, tesoro. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.